We're making some slime again for today. So I made this one, but after I make slime in this, the pink one, I put this one in there so I can leave it for a few days and let it clear up. And it has fun beads in here, so we're going to be using glue container. Obviously, I'm going to use a lid so I can cover up this one. Mixing tool. I'm going to use some of these just to, wait, no, I don't need it actually. Oh yeah, I do. So I'll put down. Use some of these. And for today, we're going to be using some of this. And can you hand me the baking soda? And some baking soda. And this recipe is like so good, so you have to try it. It's like really good. It's not really like hard or anything. And today I'm gonna be using some fun beads again. Oops. Oopsies. I squeezed it. Actually, I'm gonna put the glue and then put the fun beads in it. So let's get started with the video. So,
let me see some. Let me see some solution. The solution thing.
It's so freaking funny.
Oh gosh.
That was
I'm gonna pause the video and then I'm gonna come back when I have all the glue inside here. Okay, guys. So the whole glue's in. You can see a little bit. So right now I'm just gonna. There, Maria, you pour so much. I just wanna pour some in here. I wanted to get like the color beads, but I think they didn't have any.
I love my
unless we probably would have got them.
Do y'all have any more?
What?
Look at that.
Okay, so now you want to pour some baking soda? Not a lot.
Look how pretty this is.
I'm gonna pour as much as it can like go together and everything. So I'm gonna have this over here. Here, I'm gonna let you see this.
And we were like, Emerald,
Huh?
we were like trying to get slime from Kayla.
I know.
And we could make this slime.
I know.
Her slime just like this, but different colors.
I know.
How does she make? She used food coloring, doesn't she?
Yeah, she used like the smelly goods. She used the smelly good one.
Those would never smell good though.
Or some contact solution, and it's getting together as y'all can see.
Dude, this is loose.
See,
I like it.
I'm gonna
Holy crap. This is loose. What?
I like how mine is.
No.
pour some in here. I'm gonna pour a lot because like it's gonna not.
I don't put no. I put
Y'all can see it's getting together.
I put a lot of solution in it.
So yeah, keep mixing and mixing.
The baking soda.
So easy.
Well, let her go to something. You like mine?
Yeah. We had to have a bubble.
And then fill this one.
I'm trying not to make mine hard again because last time I let my sister put some in and I kind of went too far without her. Because she was pouring and I'm like, I'm gonna say when to stop, and I said it too late, so it went hard. Not that hard, like I keep warming it up so it could be like a little better. This is not the one.
This one's alright.
It's a good one. It has foam beads in it, and it's a clear one. Y'all should have got if you want to see the clear one that I made on my last video, it is called making slime with clear glue, and then it has like emojis on it, and then it said so fun. Okay, so I'm gonna pause it until when I'm done. So I'm gonna let y'all see for a little bit longer. Oh, so it's getting together and everything.
Turn it backwards. Hold on.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it and mix it and mix it. So I'm gonna just keep mixing, and then I'll come back when it's all done and the consistency is all good. Okay? So I'll be right back. Peace. Oh, I'm just gonna add some more baking soda. And then I'll just pause it again and be You ready? It's getting together so much. Wow. Thanks guys for watching. I'm still gonna do it but thanks you for watching this still. So yeah. I'm gonna pause it until it's all done. Okay guys, so it's getting together, so I think it's gonna good for me to get it with my hands.
Yeah,
So
save that.
we do it with my hands, and I don't care if it's sticky or not.
Okay, I'm totally gonna play with this blue one. It's my favorite.
So you don't like your other one, Tata?
Oh, I like my other one.
I'm supposed to let him
No, it's S-L-I-M-E.
That's what I see.
Oh, I thought you said S-I. What? So here is it. It's really good. I can love it and all that. Well, what was that, Mama?
That was the truck.
What did it do? It hit the tree?
No.
Push yours out.
So, I'm going to keep mixing. It's really pokey and stuff if y'all can hear.
Camera, make yours spread out.
Y'all can hear that, right, guys? Wait till all the trucks move because we're by the highway.
Camera.
That's pokey. Hey, now. Mama. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. No. My slime's like hers. How it went off that fast. Well, this one is not that one. I might get some more slime like that.
Oh, sorry, guys. I didn't pause it, so. Here you go. So good. So, I'm going to put some more foam beads in it. So.
All I really want to do is make a bubble.
Go make a bubble on the table.
So it feels so weird. So if y'all know, it feels weird when you poke it when the foam beads are right there. Like they go in my nails, kind of. So.
Oh crap, I thought it was
Thank you guys for watching. Now, you have a great day. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below what y'all like and which time y'all liked. If y'all watch the clear one,
Poke test.
this one,
Poke test.
or this one. I'll do the poke test, like she said.
Thanks for the slime.
Can't hold it.
Here.
Just pointing out you and Gabby and stuff. Y'all don't even pay for it all. Y'all just.
Hey, let's go inside so y'all won't hear because all the cars and stuff in the trucks. So let's go inside real quick. Whoop. So I'm on the couch right now, and so this is how it is. It's kind of pokey, not really like the really glossy slime, but oh well. Thank you for watching. Bye. Make sure to subscribe and like and a lot of views. Okay. So that was my slime. Thank you for watching. Oh wait, one more thing. And bye guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Sorry.